Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the auto pick player function in game plan of eFootball 2024. So this is you can build your first team. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can complete the objectives, how you can challenge the event or complete the missions so you can get ton of reward from this game. And let's get started by tap the game plan, the green one in the middle, tap it. So this is your club or your squad page. So you can build your first team using the auto pick player, or you can do it manually like here. For example, tap the Edin Zeko here. I do it manually, but you can do it automatically. Just tap your manager picture here, tap. You can also manually change your formation here. I mean tap this logo, the Manchester United or your team logo, your best team logo. This one, the first option here, auto pick player. Just tap by stat, and this is the reflect the auto pick change, collective strength increases here. Tap auto pick player and auto pick complete. As you can see, my player change here. So the collective strength is increased, so you can do it if you're want to a shortcut to build your first team. You can do it with auto pick player function. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the thanks button below. Enjoy the game.